Hello, 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 and welcome to Crafty D for Entrepreneurs. So today we're going to be showing you how to remove a background in Canva, and also I'll show you another program with how you can remove a background. So right now, here I am going to find an image. I'm just start with a blank canvas, which is an 8.5 by 11, just to show you how the process works. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. If you're a newbie, welcome, welcome, welcome. Leave any suggestions or videos that you want us to do, and we'll get that taken care of for you. So right now, I just went to some clip arts that I have, and I'm finding a JPEG image, and I'm just going to pull it into Canva. And then I'm going to change the background so you can see that the picture actually has a white background. All right, and then I'm going to click on the picture and hit edit image. And then easy peasy, remove background. Now you do have to have a um the pro version to be able to remove the background, but I will show you another way if you do not have the pro version. And it's just gonna do its thing to remove that background. And boom, there we go. It's done. It's set for you already. And yeah, that's it. So now it's a PNG image, and if you just wanted that, you can just go ahead and save that as a PNG, but we're gonna do it again. So I duplicate the page, and I'm going to bring in another image to show you one more time how that works. So I'm gonna bring in this guy here. He's also a JPEG, and make sure he's highlighted, edit image, remove background, and let Canva do its thing. Again, this is only for the pro version. You cannot do this on the free version, but I will show you how to do it somewhere else. Boom, and we all done. And there you go. Now you have your from JPEG to PNG. Now, if you do not have um, that the pro version, it is fine because you can go to remove BG. There you go, remove .bg. I don't know why I was in incognito. Oh, I was looking doing my own video. So go to incognito. Go to remove BG. I put in the image. I use the same girl just so you can see it uploaded, and bam, it does it on its own. You don't have to do nothing else. So that gray and white means that it's PNG. Now I'm going to download it, and I will bring it into the software so you can see that it's a PNG. So this is very easy work. You don't have to do much to it. Two ways you can, remove the background. And yeah. So that was all I wanted to show you guys for today. So we removed it in Canva and in the other software. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will be posting more videos soon. Bye.